They're working on a 2008 Ford Focus. Has ignition switch problem. Here's the new ignition switch. It's going to be fairly simple to install. Well, remove and install. So I've already removed it. But these two clips here, one and this one here, is the ones you push in. Unplug it here. Push these in. Pull out. I'm going to show you how to install it. That's where it goes right here. You can see that. Basically, take the switch. Let me use my other hand so you can see what the heck I'm doing here. Take the switch, install it cockeyed that way. Just turn it forward just a little bit. Snaps right in. And like I said, there's a clip down here, and that clip up there, you just kind of squeeze them with two screwdrivers at the same time, or just squeeze one, pull, and squeeze the other, pull out, and it comes out fairly simply. And most important part, make sure the ignition switch is in the off position. Plug it back up. Grab your key here. Voila. Ford ignition switch 101. Not all of them are the same, but hopefully this helps you out. Hopefully I didn't take up too much of your time. Nocturnal Repair, and we out.